Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
My name is MVS Prasad. We are the manufacturers of our company is CPV Infra Pvt Limited. We manufacture inverters, servo stabilizers, and solar products. So our office is situated at Kushaiguda industrial area. So this is servo stabilizer. These are all called AVRs, automatic voltage regulators, using for refrigerators, TVs, and ACs, air conditioners. This is servo stabilizers. Purpose, industrial purpose and commercial purpose we manufacture. It controls the voltage fluctuations and enhances the life of the equipment. Office 1-9-322 oblique 16 oblique 1, ground floor, beside Hanuman Temple, Hanuman Nagar, Kushaiguda, Hyderabad, 500062.